Solar system. Wala akong nakita. Pero ang daming planet na maraming star.
Walking up of the planet else sleep up field. Who's that?
Moon team, please cast your Oblivions early. Cast them in advance.
Oh shit.
Shit. Kaya. Doable.
Go, yeah. Go.
Push.
Boss Poop, son. Boss Poop.
Ingat kayo mga naka-DP.
Morty.
Saan?
Morty. Do star anchor, Morty.
Saan?
Looks like we can.
Got you.
Slow push. Oh. I died.
Hey,
Aggressive Pomu.
they're coming to Sun.
Katabi mo ako. Thank you.
Masakit yung origin.
Okay na. Enter moon. Nice luck. Thank you. Let's help Star. Let's help Sun.
Sun is taken.
Get. You're all good. Forget. Let's go to Star instead, everyone.
Sun is taken. It's okay. It's okay na.
Star can be locked. Lock it down. Morty, stay on Star na. Moon will be unlocked in a few seconds, so ready to defend. PvP outside Moon. Moon, wait for change color.
Shit.
Is this it?
No, it's okay. No.
Forget. How are you in Sun?
Sun is not good. Stay here.
Space Goat.
Sun all good. Lintex at Star. Main raid, let's go to Star. Star is locked.
Watch out for Space Goat.
Stay in Moon. They will try to push Moon after.
One petty. Boss Poop. Sun Party is not focusing taking the tiebreak.
Okay.
It's good for us. They just be being on the spawn camp. It's good.
I died. Rosh. Thank you, Rosh. 20 seconds. 25 seconds till mobs. Till mobs. Till mobs. Star. PvP. PvP star. After that, mobs. 8 seconds till mobs. I got moon spawn. I got moon spawn. Clear. Go back to tablets. Go back to tablets.
Fuck. They just PvP outside the tablet.
PvP outside tablet only so that we can initiate lock.
They're not taking the tablet. Probably be good for us.
We have a good lead.
Yeah. They just focusing
Text is on moon ah. BP.
Boss. That's so moon. No. Sun.
Sun might need help.
Yeah, they just spawn camp. It's okay. Not taking the tablet.
Or here.
They just spawn camp. Here is running all the way.
Resiros.
Boss.
Main forces to sun. Please. Lintex is spawn camping. You may respawn in moon and then walk towards sun.
Yeah.
Sun changed color already. Let's go. Go inside.
Space goat here, Sun.
Space
Space
goat
goat.
on sun. Forget you can respawn on moon. Respawn in moon and then walk towards sun so that they cannot camp you.
Boss, to Sun, boss. To moon. Press moon, boss.
I'm there are campers but they're not that strong.
That's moon already clear.
Lintex.
Here they come. Shit. They're coming from sun.
Space goat.
My team spawn on moon only. My team spawn on moon only.
Okay. Let's go, Sun.
Push to sun.
Let's go, Sun. Ah, shit. Space goat here.
Okay, sun is all clear. Go back to moon. They can clear that easy. Go back to moon.
He's smart.
Moon is locked. So fast.
Yeah.
Let's go to star instead. Go to star.
Uh-huh.
Resu.
Make it in time.
Moon. Sorry. My bad.
Okay. I think star is clear. 1 minute till OB. After star, go to moon. Go to moon. Lock in everything and then I will call you to. Oh shit! Someone's here already.
Resu.
I called you na. Avengers assemble! If we get this, it's done. They're below 500. Let them take the tablets. GG's. Nice one. Is this really the void that's strong? Not the weaker one? Shit, how many planets do they have? 1, 2, 3, 4. I lost count.